Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Comey, coming at you this Wednesday afternoon from the balcony overlooking the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. And as I'm sure you can tell, I'm in a good mood because I just realized the following. It's 4 o'clock. The markets, they're about to close. I've got a lot to do. So do you. Let's get it started. It's time for a happy hour here in the Big Apple. Quite frankly, today's trading session has been all about James Comey. Stocks pulling back this Wednesday, well, mostly pulling back, slightly pulling back, as investors took in President Donald Trump's firing of FBI Director James Comey. Comey's sudden dismissal could delay key items in the administration's agenda, including corporate tax reform as well as deregulation, but the reaction to Comey's firing in the market right behind me largely muted because a large number of investors still believe the market will get tax reform at some point. Meanwhile, in economic news, mortgage applications rising 2.4% on a seasonally adjusted basis last week, and import prices rising just about 0.5%, a bit more than expected. With all of this combined, and yes, Comey, that's been what the day's been about. Let's take a look now to see how the markets are shaping up to close out this, the more than halfway trading session of the week. And yes, we have some corporate news to talk about. Disney contributing the most to losses. The media company's stock on track for its biggest one-day decline since June, after reporting weaker than expected quarterly sales, due mostly in part to poor performance from ESPN before all the layoffs. And with that, kick back, relax. I'll see you guys all tomorrow morning. By the way, quick note, sports-wise, great season for the New York Rangers. They lost yesterday. They're out of the playoffs. But hey, I'm going to admit it. They're better than my New York Islanders. Well, at least this season. They at least made it to the playoffs. At the same time, the Chelsea title match 2 days away. Can't wait. And let's go Mets. Let's go Mets. Let's go Mets. For Modern Wall Street, I'm James Comey.